We are so fortunate to have such talented musicians for the program today. I will take a few moments to talk about their accomplishments between the dances. One of the vocal artists, Sri Rajiv Venkataraman, is a classical Carnatic musician currently residing in Omaha, Nebraska. Rajiv started learning music from Srimati Vijaya Varadarajan at the age of 7 and then from Srimati Padma. After a short break, Rajiv continued learning music from Kalashri Award winner Sri Lakshmana Shastri, a direct disciple of Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya. Under the tutelage of Sri Lakshmana Shastri, Rajiv got a strong foundation in music and continued to learn from the legend till his demise in 2000. Rajiv later pursued higher education in music under the tutelage of Sri T.S. Krishnamurthy, a renowned violinist and musician and an All India Radio A-grade artist from Bangalore. Rajiv also had the opportunity to learn music from renowned musicians like Srimati Pushpa Gopalan and Srimati Pushpa Srinivasan. Rajiv has been trained to render compositions in the traditional style with a blend of soulful manodharma. Rajiv has performed traditional style art concerts in Bangalore and Hole Narsipura. Sri Manoj Rajapan is the other vocal artist. Sri Manoj is an aspiring amateur musician who is very interested in music and practices his trade in a wide variety of genres, including Carnatic, Sufi, Western, and folk music. His early interests were practically handed over from his father, an avid listener of Carnatic music as well as old Hindi songs. A 3-year stint of formal learning of Carnatic music from Trichy Ganeshan and Vayankara Madhusudana Nair solidified his music base and smoothened a few rough edges around his rendering. He began actively participating in local music competitions and won quite a few of them. Then life took over, and with it came a long period of lull musically. However, the interest has been regenerated and with a renewed and encompassing fervor. He continues to participate in various events, both entertaining and competitive, and has won a few competitions. This is his first performance accompanying a dance recital and hopefully a beginning to many more. Gina will now present a padam, Taruni Nyan. The focus of this dance, again, is on a Naika and her relationship with her beloved hero. This dance portrays the Virahot Kantita Naika, the heroine who is distressed by separation. The heroine is doleful because she thinks her husband has forgotten her. She vents her frustration to her friend and kindly asks her to tell Lord Padmanabha about her miseries. Choreographed by Usashri Devaraju, this song is in Dvijavanti Ragam and Mishra Chaputhalam, composed by Kudamalur Janardhanan and is sung by Sri Manoj Rajapan.
തരുണി ഞാൻ എന്തു ചെയ്വോ ഹന്തമാ മക ദയിത നിന്നെ മറന്നോ ಶಿವು ಹಂತ ಮಗ ದಯಿತ സരസീജ തീനിവെല്ലും നാനനം കാൺമതും സരസവചനാമൃതം കേൾപ്പതും ഇന്നു ഞാൻ സരസീജ സരസവചനാമൃതം കേൾപ്പതും എന്നു ഞാൻ തരുണി ഞാൻ എന്തു ചെയ്വോ ഹന്തമാ മക മന്ദാശരം ചോരിയും സാചകങ്ങൾക്കോ മധുമണി സംഖ്യയില്ലേ മന്ദാക്ഷരം ചോരിയും സാചകങ്ങൾക്കോ മധുമണി സംഖ്യയില്ലേ സ്വാന്തത്തിൽ ഉളവാക്കും മദസാമജഗമനേ ഞാൻ അതോടു ചൊല്ലേണ്ടു സാമജഗമനേ ഞാൻ അതോടു ചൊല്ലേണ്ടു ലളിതഖിലവും ശ്രീ പത്മനാഭനോടു അൻപോടു ചെന്നു ചൊല്ലേ ലളിതഖിലവും ശ്രീ പത്മ അല്ലാതാരേ നീ കേവലം ഗംഗോ കീരവാണി അല്ലേത്ത ശരസമനാക്കിയോരു കനവൻ അല്ലാതാരേ നീ കേവലം ഗംഗോ കീലവാണി കരുണേ ഞാൻ എന്തു ചെയ്വോ മക മറന്നു തരുണീന തരുണീന
Srimati Vijaya began her journey into Carnatic music at the age of 10 under the tutelage of Srimati Ratna Surya Narayanan. She continued her advanced learning under Parur Sri M.S. Anantaraman. Vijaya Desikan has accompanied many accomplished artists both domestically and abroad. She currently lives in Madison, Wisconsin and teaches violin and vocal music there. Playing the mridangam is Sri Ram Natarajan. Sri Ram is a versatile artist and collaborative world musician specializing in the classical South Indian instruments mridangam and kanjira. Sri Ram started training on the mridangam at the age of 9 under the veteran guru Sri K.V. Maniappan of the Nalanda School of Dance in Mumbai, India. Sri Ram has had advanced training from the late maestro Sangeeta Kalanidhi Padma Shri Palagat Raghu. He is presently under the able tutelage and guidance of Tanjavur Shri Muruga Bhupati. Sri Ram regularly accompanies renowned and upcoming artists in India during the December music season in Chennai, India. In the US, he has performed at several prestigious venues in Boston, Chicago, Cleveland, to name just a few. His style of accompaniment is very adaptive to both vocal, instrumental music, and dance. Some of the renowned vocalists he has accompanied include Sri M. Balamurali Krishna, Sri T.V. Shankaranarayanan, Sri Ravi Kiran, Sri Naivili Santana Gopalan, and many others. Some of the renowned instrumental artists he has accompanied include the Mysore Brothers, Srimati Mala Chandrasekhar, Srimati Nirmala Rajashekar, Srimati Geeta Bennett, Srimati Rajeshwari Pariti, Srimati Suma Sudhindra, Srimati Sri V.K. Raman, and Sri Chandan Kumar. Sri Ram has been featured on PBS, Twin Cities Public Television, Wisconsin Public Radio, KFAI FM Radio, Festivals of Nation, and the State Fair in St. Paul, Minnesota. His noteworthy collaborations have included the St. Olaf Jazz Band Northfield, the Brass Kings Minneapolis, a Jugalbandi concert rendition with Grammy Award winner Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, and rising star keyboard artist